so that way it can keep cool. Well, welcome back to Charlie in the Drift Factory. What do you reckon, Charlie? Do you want to give Jayden a little tour of what we've been up to?
Yes.
Alright, let's do it.
This is the S15, which is what we will be working in today. Welding the seat in,
Yep.
doing all that. So that's pretty much the S15. This is the S600.
We're in, Jen. It almost suits in this car. It's a cool little car.
These are the R33s. They're obviously not in the best condition, but sell the parts and so on. And so you go to turn it on, you just hold the start button here, and then this is the record button, so that's just play, and then tap again when it's off. You just be video, so let's give that a try.
Yeah. What are some of the filming technique tips?
Keep the camera steady.
Keep the camera steady.
Yeah.
You kind of have it so it's flat and you can look inside the screen, can't you?
Keep the camera steady. Don't turn it off and don't keep it in the sun.
Yeah, there we go. Pretty good tips. Yeah.
Okay, it's recording.
Yeah. So Jayden, when you're filming, sometimes it's dark. So this actually makes it look heaps better as well when you got a light. Probably not light in the face, but so you might be able to do both at the same time. Alright Jayden, you picked up that camera skills pretty quick. So what we're going to do here today, Charlie, I've already mounted in all the these new seat rails here. I've just tack welded them in, but I can't get the bolt in because I can't get my fingers in. So we're just going to pull the seat out, put the bolt through first, and then we'll put it back in, and then we can test it and see how it feels. Can you do that? This is good having on the camera. You're doing well, Jayden.
Yeah.
You want me to get it? Yeah. What you gotta do is undo these back ones and loosen the front ones. So what we'll do is loosen the front ones up and pull the back ones all the way out, then we'll lift the chair up. We'll slide the bolts through the hole first. That way when you go to put it in, the bolts will really be in the right place. Cool. So now what we're going to do, bolts through there first, we can do it back up again. Because you'll see, once this does up, see how you can't get that bolt back out? See how it gets stuck there, it won't go out any further. So we can put it in first. Yeah, good on Jayden. The fun part, this is probably number 30 times I've put the seat in and out now. Well, Jayden, we've got that seat in now. It's a little bit flexy still because it's not fully welded, it's just tacked in.
And also, sorry for the big skip. I'm pretty sure he might have did this.
That's right, yeah, I'll edit it. Charlie's stuck in the back there. How'd you even get in there, Charlie?
I went feet first into the back.
I'll probably try and get a rescue to get him out.
It's just as hard getting in the front seat as it is getting in the
rear.
how tight it is to get in.
Is this on? Is the seat all good? Or?
Yeah, I'm just going to do a test sit. Oh, I can't even get my leg in. There we go. That's pretty good. That's perfect, really. Cool. That feels good. I can weld that in now. Do you guys want to have a sit?
I mean, he can.
Yeah, don't know. Have a sit in there. Just. How's that feel? You can almost stretch the pedals. How's that feeling there, Jayden?
Great.
I mean, this is a
Ready to like to drive the race car one day?
Probably.
Probably.
Yeah.
What are you doing in the back seat there, Charlie?
Being stuck.
Being stuck? I don't know where Charlie learned how to get out of the car, but I don't think climbing out the back window is the right way to do it for some reason.
Okay, everyone, we are now heading over to the cars and we're about to pull out a dashboard and a steering wheel. Let's just hope this doesn't go bad. Just kidding.
So, should we take the steering wheel out first, and then we've got like,
Yep.
got room.
Do you know how to get the steering wheel off?
Guessing not using the angle grinder.
Yeah, good plan.
Probably try to figure out a way to unconnect it, so then we'll be able to just pull that out.
Yeah. Now, should I leave it up to Charlie? Should I tell him what ones he needs?
Probably up to you.
Up to me. Oh, I reckon. Give that a go, Charlie.
Oh, we can't unscrew the steering wheel from that lock.
No, you can use that to undo it. You should figure out how. He can figure it out. He's smart.
Yeah.
That's a pretty good angle. Maybe if you go about there like that. That's it. A little tip here, Charlie. Steering wheels are good to get off, but a little tip, don't get the nut all the way off just yet, okay? If you don't leave the nut on there, you'll pull the steering wheel off and it'll crack you in the nose. So just leave the nut a little bit on there and then you should be able to do it. It will pop out, but it might take some force. You might have to give some good reefing on it.
So I can't tell if it's like, I can't tell when it's loose. It doesn't really give me much of a sign.
I don't need to hold the camera.
That's lift anyway then. Awesome, you got it, Charlie. Well done.
Yeah, we got the steering wheel off.
Yay.
What a good combination of different car things. Like, different parts of cars. Good combination.
It's fun, isn't it? What's the condition like? It's a bit worn out, isn't it?
Poopy.
That's alright. Not bad. A little bit worn out. Actually, it's very worn out, but still a nice wheel, kind of. If anyone wants it. What are we going to sell this for, Charlie?
I might keep it.
You're going to keep it? Well, that's not going to get you much money towards the new car.
I don't know.
And also to get new parts.
Well, if I get a sim steering wheel, I can put this on.
You could. I mean, you might not get much for it. You might get $20 or something, but $20 is better than no bucks.
I mean, if it's $20, I'm pretty sure I can just keep it.
Yeah. All right, well, next on the list is the dashboard. The dashboard looks in great condition, so...
I mean, we've got 3 people now, so I think we can all be working on this one pretty well, and we should just get through it pretty quickly.
Yeah, all right. Well, should we put the camera down and just film it as you pull it out at the end?
Yeah.
Or do you want to film Jayden?
I think we can just put the camera down. Do you want to... We can all do this?
All right, let's do that. Well, we've made a plan. Awesome. Let's do it. All right, so we've pretty much got the dash out. So ready to lift it out, Charlie?
I think it's... Yeah, we've got some wiring over here. I'll just unplug it.
So you're gonna plug it? Slide it out. It's just a cord, right?
Oh, yeah. No. Oh, that goes all the way down. Right.
Yeah, this should just... We just break these onto here. You don't move.
Easy, easy.
Oh, got another one here. Yeah.
Dunskies.
Do you want my way or your way?
Get your way.
Ready. Sweet. All right, we've done it, Charlie and Jayden.
Easy, easy.
Well, that's...
A P and a Z.
We've got this piece that goes under here. Got this piece that goes in there. And those air vents. So we've done pretty well there, Charlie. That's a pretty good condition dash. There's only one spot here. It's got a little crack there. Tiny little crack.
Shouldn't be too bad.
But other than that,
Give it a clean it up and reseal it.
yeah, other than that one little crack, it's really good. With the sun setting and the golden hour lighting shining through, we thought we'd attempt to get some thumbnail photos before we packed up the tools and headed back home. So how did you find it today, Charlie, having a new helper along the side?
It's lovely.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good servant. Slave. No, I'm just kidding.
How did you enjoy it, Jayden? Did you have fun?
Yep.
Did you enjoy doing some camera work and some car part pulling apart?
Yep.
Cool. You going to come again next week?
Yes.
Awesome. Cool. Well, Charlie's got some drift action going on. What are we keen to do next week, Charlie? What's the plan?
I don't know.
Well, hopefully we can sell some parts. I got the dashboard out.
Cars and coffee this weekend.
Oh, cars and coffee this weekend.
Yeah.
That might be a little bonus episode we can do again.
Ooh.
Does he want to come or?
He might. Do you want to come through a
Yeah.
cars and coffee?
Yeah.
Well, we might be able to do that.
On what day?
It might be a Sunday.
Sunday.
Okay.
If it's not raining. If it's pouring rain, we might miss it. But if it's good weather, we'll go check out heaps of skylines and cool cars.
Yeah.
And then that'll be about it. Cool. We'll see you guys next week. Thanks for tuning in again. And my GoPro's flat, so I'm using the phone, so you probably can't see me. But till next time, see you next week.